We are here at Buckner's, and everybody is lining up getting some of these delicious desserts. And we are here with the owner.
All right.
How you doing?
Doing good, doing good.
What's your name?
My name is Ted Buckner. This is Buckner's.
Okay, when did you?
Dessert Cafe.
Did you guys? I think I spoke with you guys earlier, right?
You did.
All right, and did you guys enjoy the show?
Oh, it was an excellent show. My man Remy, he turned it out.
Thank you. And everybody here kept saying they enjoyed the desserts.
Right.
You guys did a wonderful job, and on the food, you guys had the meatballs and you guys hooked that up. How long did you guys take you guys to make that?
This stuff here, as far as the food goes, we do this every day. So I mean, okay.
Yeah, went quick.
This is part of our winter features.
So what do you see? What's the next events coming up?
Well, we have a magician coming. Well, the next event is the parade, December 7th. I want everybody to come on out, have a good time at the parade. We're going to be featuring a hot drink bar. Okay, so not just the typical cocoa. We got the cocoa. We got a hot cider bar, and we're looking at another feature, but that's going to be a surprise.
All right. And then
plus, we're also looking at the chicken and waffles. We don't do too much cooking here, but this we're doing here. This is going to be excellent.
Okay.
Our chicken and waffles don't feature just a regular old glob of butter and mineral.
Right.
We have this maple syrup ice cream.
Yes.
I'm telling you, it's an experience you won't forget.
Yes. And what's your hours again?
Okay, well, you know what? During the week, 11 to 7.
Okay.
Thursdays we're open to 9. Friday and Saturdays we're open to 4 in the morning. Yeah, I said it. 4 in the morning. We're staying up tonight.
All right. And you guys have everything: pastries to ice cream to cakes, all.
Well, you know what's good about our business model is we can provide variety like you won't believe. Okay,
Right.
we go out and find the stuff that you just won't see anyplace else.
Okay.
This is a concept we brought here to Pontiac, and we're getting good results.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
All right. Well, thank you for your time, Mr. Buckner. And of course, we're gonna have some more shows here, so we're gonna see you with these previous ones. But state your name one more time.
My name is Ted Buckner, and this is Buckner's.
All righty.
Dessert Cafe.
The wonderful. Thank you.
I'll tell you now, it ain't good for you, but you'll love it anyway.
All right.